And then you arrive to the hotel and you need to check in. What is check in? You are giving your papers, passport, ID, whatever, and you are telling the hotel that I will stay in your hotel for a couple of days or maybe weeks, okay, for some time. What is the opposite of check in? Check out. When you stop staying at that hotel, you need to say that I am leaving your hotel, thank you very much, and I am not going to stay more than this period of time. So in that scenario, you have to check out.
Good evening, sir.
The receptionist says, good evening, sir. Why good evening? Because it is evening. It could be like morning. In that case, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, okay? Don't forget, guys, good evening also means hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening is a way to say hello. But if you say good night, it means bye. You can never use good night to say hello. Again, sir, because it is a kind of polite way to address a man.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Hello or hi, I have a reservation. What is reservation? He means that I booked the hotel. Maybe by telephoning, maybe online, maybe I sent somebody. Actually, he sent somebody there to reserve, to book that hotel.
My name's Mark Ryder.
And my name is Mark Ryder, or you can say his name is Mark Ryder.
Can you spell that, please?
Can you spell that, please? What is it spell? You're coding that name for somebody else because your name can be very difficult for them to understand in order to write. In that scenario, you need to spell your name. How? I mean, one by one, like letter by letter, okay?
R-Y-D-E-R.
Like Ryder, like R-Y-D-E-R. This is spelling. Can you spell your name?
For 5 nights.
For 5 nights. Days and nights. 5 nights. Okay? She's asking because she wants to make sure that his reservation or his booking was correct.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, that's right. Which means that it is true and that is okay. That is totally correct.
Can I have your passport, please?
Can I have your passport, please? Passport is British, passport, American. So can I have your passport? Why can I? She could say, could I have your passport? Could is better than can. Can is not that much official or polite, okay? Normally people use can for those people who are very close to them. Let's say friends, family members. But normally, if you do not know somebody else, it is not okay to say, can I have your passport? But here is a kind of conversation to make sure that you understand and you are learning. So, can I have your passport? What is passport? It's a kind of ID. You need it to go to different countries. If you pay attention, at the end of the sentences, at the end of the questions, they are saying, they are adding please. So that please is magical. That please can make your sentences very, very polite.
Just a moment.
Just a moment means hold on, wait, wait for a second, wait for a minute.
Here you are.
And here you are, or here you go.
Can you sign here, please?
Can you sign here? What is sign? When you are drawing your signature on a paper, because every single person normally has his or her own special private signature. So signature is a kind of noun. Sign is a kind of verb. Sign, I mean, you need to sign your signature. Can you sign here? Where? On the paper. Can you sign here, please?
Do you want a smoking or non-smoking room?
Okay, do you want a smoking or non-smoking room? A smoking room is designed for those people who are smokers, who smoke a lot. Non-smoking for those people who do not smoke. So they are different.
Non-smoking, please.
He wants to say that I don't smoke or I am not a smoker.
Here's your key.
Here is your key means, okay, please, here you are. This is your key.
It's room 425 on the 4th floor.
It's room 425. Why 425? Because when you're counting the number, especially the number of the basically door or gate, you can say 425. It is far better than or easier than saying 425. So 425 is really easy. On the 4th floor. What is 4th floor? You know, because every building Hotel is a building too. Every building has some floors. First floor, second floor, third floor, and fourth floor. Okay?
Thank you. Oh, where's the lift?
Lift is a place like a room, small room, okay, into the buildings or hotels or wherever. And you go in, and that lift can take you up or down. Do you need help with your bags? Again, the same question. Very polite. Do you need any help? Means can I help you? Or do you need a bellman or bellboy? It means that you want me to ask or to call bellboy or bellman to come and help you with your bags because you have lots of bags and most probably they are heavy again.
No, it's okay, thanks.
No, it's okay. I am fine. Thanks or thank you very much. I don't need your help. Or it is not necessary, you can say.
Enjoy your stay, Mr. Ryder.
Enjoy your stay, Mr. Ryder. It means that I hope you will love this hotel and you have lots of great time staying in this hotel.
Thank you.
Again, thank you. James starts and says, "Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing?" So what does it mean? Firstly, we can change the sentence like, "Professor Austin, I'd like to wish you a nice day. How are things going for you?" Or we can say, "Professor Austin, good morning. How are things going for you?" Or, "Professor Austin, good morning. What's new with you?" Professor Austin starts and says, "Good morning, James. I am doing well. And you?" So what does it mean? It means, "James, good morning. I'm in good shape. How are you?" So in good shape means I'm really fine, as fit as a fiddle. Means super excellent. And also we can say, "Good morning, James. I am in fine physical condition. How exactly are you?" James continues and says, "I'm great. Thank you. This is my friend Emma." Okay, so what is this is? You know, when you're introducing somebody to someone else or to somebody else, you are using this is. Okay, we don't say he is or she is. We say this is, for example, my friend. This is my sister. This is my brother. This is my classmate. This is my teacher. We don't say he is my brother, she is my sister, he is my teacher. We don't say that. Only this is, okay? So in other words, we can also say, "Thank you.
Would you like a drink, sir?
Imagine that you're on a plane and the flight attendant is asking you very politely, like, "Would you like a drink, sir?" Very official and formal language. And instead of saying, "Do you like a drink?" he or she can say, "Would you like a drink?" So drink is basically